Hey, what's up? Got some new grips for my Kell Knives striker. He's offering these grips now for any of the EDC series on his website. These are called the Sentry. What you do is you replace the front grip here and it adds a ring to it. So if you want to use it as a defensive blade, you're gonna have this option here to retain the blade with the ring. So you're gonna just take out these fasteners here. There you have it. So now you got a ring. You can use the knife normally like this, but if you want to use the reverse grip with the ring, you can easily deploy the knife from the sheath. You're carrying it like reverse carry. That does add some length, obviously, to the blade, but pretty awesome. Works for any of the EDC series. Only available in black currently, but there you go. Thanks for watching. Oh, $30 on his website. I'll link it down below. Thanks for watching and see you next time.